11 Secrets to Memorize Things Quicker Than Others. Have you seen the movie Limitless? The main character found a special field that allowed him to recall all experience and memorize things quicker whenever he needed to. So bad this isn't true for real life. Unfortunately, we forget a lot of information over the course of our lives. In this video, we'll share with you some simple memorization tips and a universal formula that will retrieve any information from memory when you need it. Ready? Let's get started. So, how to remember everything? There is a memorization technique called spaced repetition to keep some information in your head for a longer time when you need something in your long-term memory. It also helps to find a few good study tips to apply your habit. With that said, 1. Try to understand what you learn. You probably know the feeling when you are learning something but you don't understand. The information usually turns into a nightmare because it looks like learning a poem that has no rhyme. Another bad thing about learning something you don't understand is that if you forget some part of it, you will not be able to continue. This is because you have only memorized the order of words and not their actual meaning. You should read the entire piece of information and figure out what the main point or points are. Try to retell what you have read using your own words. Do it as simply as you can. If you are successful, that means you understood the information and now it will be way easier to memorize the details. 2. Learn the most necessary information. If you feel like you have too much on your plate, set your priorities correctly. Decide what you have to know and what you can do without justifying. Focus on the key parts of what you need to memorize. If you find some time to devote to the less important information, that's great, but it can be done later. 3. Embrace the serial position effect. No, this is not when you position your series on the right side of the table and your homework on the left when learning something new. Things that are the beginning and the end are memorized the best. Use this effect to your advantage. Sort the information so that the key parts are the beginning and at the end. 4. Interference theory rocks. Choose your attention from one topic to another and from one activity to another. For example, you are preparing for a public talk. You have learned the text for 15 minutes. Now it's time to take a break and rest every 15 to 20 minutes. This is the period when attention. Others call this the Pomodoro technique, while the study skill tutors, and it gets summed up. 5. Learn opposite things. Opposites are easily memorized in pairs. If you are learning a new language, work on learning at the beginning of the day and at night too. This way, you will build a connection between these two events in your mind. If you forget one study session, the second one will help you recall. 6. Build your own mind place. This is about Sherlock Holmes again. Do you remember how he could travel in his mind place for hours looking for the necessary information? The idea is to associate items to memorize with a certain object. If you are in your room, try to connect the thing you are learning to something in your room. Recall the objects a few times after that to recall what the room looks like in your memory and repeat things you associate with each object. 7. Use nail words. The point of this technique is to nail one learned thing to another. If you need to memorize the French word for nail, you should also look up well, hammer and other related words that you can logically connect to nail. 8. Make up stories. If you need to memorize a lot of information in particular order, try to fit the pieces into a story. It's important that the pieces are connected to each other some kind of plot. This way, if you accidentally forget something, you can always recall what was supposed to happen next in the story. Yes, this might like you need even more effort. It works wonders. 9. Use a tape recorder. Record the information somehow you are learning. Listen to the recording a few times. We don't think anyone uses tape recorders anymore, but you get the point. Yes, it might take you some time to get used to the sound of your voice. It might seem strange or unpleasant in the beginning, but this method is handy because it allows all types of memory to work. 10. Visualize. Use your body language when learning. This will help you trigger your muscle memory. Use expressive gestures to recite to yourself what you just learned in front of a mirror. Emotions like anger and awe have the strongest effect on us with a little acting. This technique will internalize your studies. 11. Choose only the best materials. Don't use outdated books and methods of learning. Things have changed a lot since textbooks were written. Don't waste your time on something that may turn out to be wrong. Go online and check the most recent information on the subject.